Hi everyone. Today, our neighbors Sarah and Mark are chatting outside. They are talking about Sarah's home renovation and a new blue couch from IKEA. Pay attention to how they use the phrase bright and airy to describe a room.
Hi Mark. Are you heading out for a walk?
Oh, hi Sarah. Yeah, it's such a beautiful Saturday morning.
It really is. I'm finally taking a short break from cleaning.
Cleaning? Is it just the usual Saturday chores?
Well, I'm actually moving some furniture around in the living room.
Oh. Are you changing the whole layout of the room?
Sort of. I wanted a more, open space for my morning yoga.
That's a great idea. My living room is way too crowded.
I know what you mean. It took me 3 hours to decide where to put the TV.
Whoa, 3 hours? Did you find a good spot?
I did. I put it on the wall near the bookshelf.
Nice. Does your house have those nice hardwood floors too?
Yes, we just polished them last week. They look brand new.
MHM.
And I finally bought that new blue couch from IKEA I told you about.
Oh wow. Is it comfortable?
It's amazing. It fits perfectly under the big window.
I bet that room feels very bright and airy now.
Exactly. The natural light in the afternoon is just beautiful.
I'm a bit jealous. My apartment is quite dark.
Really? Don't you have a balcony?
I do, but it faces another building, so there isn't much sun.
Ah, that's a shame. But you have a lot of plants, right?
Yeah, I have about 10 plants in the kitchen. It makes it feel cozy.
MHM.
It was actually 12 plants now.
Wow, 12. You have a green thumb, Mark.
Well, I try. But the kitchen is getting a little small for all of them.
I understand. My kitchen is small too, but I love the white cabinets.
White cabinets always make a small kitchen look larger.
True. Actually, I think the kitchen is my favorite room.
Really? Not the new living room with the blue couch?
It's a tough choice. The living room is great for relaxing.
What about the rest of the house? How many bedrooms do you have?
We have 3 bedrooms. One is for us, one for the guest, and one is an office.
An office is so useful. I usually work at the dining table.
Oh, that sounds difficult for your back.
It is, honestly. I'm looking for a proper desk next week.
You should check IKEA too. They have some really cheap options.
I'll do that. By the way, do you still have that big rug in the hallway?
No, I moved it to the master bedroom. It was too hard to clean in the hall.
Right. Hallways get so much foot traffic and dirt.
Exactly. Especially with the dog running in from the back garden.
Wait, I forgot you have a back garden. Is it big?
It's medium-sized. There is enough space for a small table and 2 chairs.
That sounds perfect for a morning coffee.
It was, what's the word, peaceful. Yes, very peaceful.
I'm definitely coming over for coffee sometime then.
Of course. You are always welcome, Mark.
Thanks. I should probably let you get back to your cleaning now.
Yeah, I still have to mop the floors in the guest room.
Good luck with that. Don't work too hard.
I won't. I'm going to have a glass of cold lemonade first.
Yum. That sounds refreshing. Enjoy your break.
Thanks, Mark. Have a great walk in the park.
I will. See you later, Sarah.
Bye. Bright and airy.
This phrase describes a room that has a lot of natural light and feels open and spacious. For example, I love your new apartment because the living room is so bright and airy.
Fits perfectly.
Use this when furniture or an object is the exact right size for the space it occupies. For example, this small desk fits perfectly in the corner of my bedroom.
Hardwood floors.
This refers to floors made of solid wood, which are very common in many English-speaking homes. For example, we decided to remove the old carpet and install hardwood floors instead.
Cozy feel.
Native speakers use cozy to describe a place that is small, warm, and comfortable in a positive way. For example, with the fireplace and the candles, the cabin has a very cozy feel. Great job today! You learned how to use phrases like cozy feel and fits perfectly to describe a home. Try describing your own living room using these words. Subscribe for more real English conversations and tell us about your favorite room in the comments.